Hello guys, I'm Meet Sony. Welcome back to my channel. If you're a fresher and looking for a job opportunity in tech career, this video can definitely save your time because I came up with two amazing opportunities. One is from Siemens Healthcare and another one is from London-based company that is Zerotrail. So I will be quickly covering responsibilities, qualifications, salary and locations. So make sure to watch till the end. Let's get started. The first opportunity is from Siemens Healthcare Private Limited, which is hiring for the role of data engineer, and freshers are eligible to apply for this position. The job location for this role is Bangalore, and it is a full-time in-office job with 5 working days a week. In this role, you will work with large data sets and help transform raw data into meaningful insights. Your work will involve identifying, collecting, cleaning, and pre-processing data sets from multiple sources. You will also apply statistical analysis, machine learning techniques, and data mining methods to extract useful information from the data. Another important responsibility in this role is developing quick prototypes and proof of concept model that can help validate potential solutions. These prototypes help teams understand whether the data solution will work before it is fully implemented. You will also communicate complex data findings and non-technical stakeholders through clear presentations and visuals. This means you will work with visualization tools such as Power BI, Power Apps, or libraries like Matplotlib to represent insights in an understandable way. To apply for this role, candidates should have bachelor's or master's degree in computer science, statistics, mathematics, data science, or any quantitative field. From technical perspective, you should be comfortable working with Python, especially libraries like Pandas, Scikit-learn, or TensorFlow. Understanding of statistical modeling, machine learning algorithms, SQL databases, and data visualization tools is also expected. Now coming to the second opportunity, this one is from Zerotrail and they are hiring for the role of software engineer internship. Zerotrail is an early stage startup building an AI native security platform designed to find and fix vulnerabilities even before code is written. The internship offers a stipend between $1,000 to $3,000, which means around 15,000 per month in rupees, along with 1 to 2% equity, which is quite rare for these internships. The role is remote and open worldwide, although on-site options are also available in these cities like London, Bangalore, and Kolkata. In this internship, you will work across the entire product stack instead of being restricted to just front-end or back-end development. This means you will work on backend infrastructure, AI workflows, and front-end user experiences. You will also help build and ship features such as dashboards, backend jobs, and integrations. Another exciting part of this role is that you will work directly with the founder and contribute to both product and technical decisions. The company is building an AI first platform, so you will also get exposure to AI pipeline development, prompt chaining, and evaluation systems. The tech stack used by the company includes Next.js, TypeScript, Tailwind CSS for frontend, and Node.js, Python, PostgreSQL, and Redis on the backend. The AI infrastructure includes tools like OpenAI, LangChain, Llama Index, and vector databases, while the deployment infrastructure uses Railway, Supabase, and Docker. The company prefers candidates who can build quickly, write clean and maintainable code, debug problems independently, and who have worked on real projects or side projects before. So yeah, these were the two quick opportunities. Both the apply links are in the description box. For more fresh job opportunities like these, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notifications so I get motivation to bring best opportunities in front of you guys. Till then, keep learning and keep applying. Thanks for watching.